Although today rebounded up from 180, even immediately closing back up over today's high could see the chart having difficulty advancing over 205 unless daily bullish volume can at least stay near 15 million or higher to make reaching the more significant 230 level more realistic. The continued bearish advantage in the broader context is represented quite well by the convergence of the center fan line and the Fibonacci spiral, meaning a bearish continuation is much more likely if price is still in the 180s 7 to 10 days from now. Also, stay tuned for next week when a new series explaining the Keltner channel indicator releases, along with coverage of more charts from every market. Now back to a look at the SPY S&P 500 ETF, where a bearish start to this week has once again put doubt into whether this defined incline can be maintained from the 0 to 1 lines of the Fibonacci channel when approaching the boundary of the outermost Fibonacci arcs. With current conditions, even selling with normal levels of volume can likely take the chart back below 507 and into the 1 to 1.618 portion of the Fibonacci channel, though a quick drop down to 490 is currently less realistic without daily selling volume getting back towards 100 million.